you don't provide this source very close to the possibility and you spend your rest of the day in searching water and we are feeling that we are actually consuming water. Right? And many times we consume the water in such a way so that at a one time lot of water comes. And then some situation happens like this one. That we are saying that we are consuming water, but then we are releasing so much water from a given area that the flooding condition happens actually downstream. Right? So when we look further on this water conservation, my thought would have been somewhere based on these 5 points that which are the water use. In domestic water sector, we are using so little water, and if you consume water in that sector, we are not going to achieve much. You have to consume the water where very less efficiency is there. And that less efficiency normally is in agriculture use. I will show you that type of thing also here. Then, why to consume water? I have showed you. If somebody says that I am consuming water, and a lady, she is going 5 kilometers away from this place to fetch water, whether that is conservation or something else. Okay? Why we have to do water? How to do water conservation? I will leave actually this particular thing to you, and what is my role in the water conservation. Okay? So when we talk about water use, I want to show you this one very nice picture here that water being used in different countries. So in the x-axis you are having USA, Italy, France, like that, and we are coming towards India, and India is here somewhere here, right? So if you see the domestic water used in India, we are close to 135 liters of Savannah per day. While United States is very close to 600 in domestic water use. So I think if we compare ourselves with United States, we are already consuming a lot of water. But if somebody will ask you over this also to conserve water, whether that is appropriate or not. One question that we have to answer ourselves. Second question, as I was telling you that when we look the water used in various sectors, that we call it water withdrawal. We have X amount of water, and that we are withdrawing water to use in different sectors. When you see here in India, we have 88% water, 88% water. Our total water withdrawal that we are doing is being used in agriculture. 13%, around 12% is being used in domestic, it means municipal and industrial sector, just 12%. If we say that 50% is being used in municipal, 50% is being used in industrial sector. Now, you cannot conserve the water in industrial sector because of the productivity. So it means we cannot do much there. What we can do right now in 2 sectors, one, that municipal water sector, and second one is the agricultural water sector. Now, when the water used in domestic water sector itself is almost 1/8 of the water which is being used in agriculture, the scope of conservation in municipal sector remains very limited. However, the quality of water that we are using in municipal sector is much higher and better as compared to the quality of water which is being used in agriculture. And that's why there is a need to conserve water in spite of being domestic sector as a very low consumption or very low water use sector. Is it clear? Because the quality of water is so good in municipal water sector that we cannot say that we need not to conserve the water in our so-called domestic sector. Okay? So we have to conserve water in both the sectors. Also, when we look the distribution of this entire amount of water which is coming, we have two sources. One is the surface water source, the other one we have the groundwater source. In India, approximately 70% to 75% water comes from the groundwater source, and around 90% water in agriculture.